Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningsing Loop, Pumanil Kanglei Park observed Puarigi Amamba Numit at Lamyanba Shanglet. And the center plans to set up 14 authorized world skills India training centers across 9 cities for media and entertainment sector. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Puwa Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningsing Loop, Pumanil Kanglei Park observed Puarigi Amamba Numit at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. People recalls the burning of Puyas, the ancient scripture of the Meitei race, on this day some 287 years ago by Hindu preacher Shantidas Gosai during the time of King Pamheiba. Speaking on the occasion, Kairao MLA Lorembam Rameshwar lamented that the secret Meitei Puyas, which contained norms, mores and ancient wisdoms which are relevant to all the communities of Manipur, were destroyed. He claimed that the incident has robbed the generation of ancient wisdoms and hindered unity among communities in the state. MLA Rameshwar stressed the need to include the valuable contents of the remaining Puyas in school syllabus and to rework the Puyas instead of mere recollection of the dark day in the history of Manipur. Chairman of Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningsing Loop Pumanil Kanglei Park Sanjit Soraisam and leaders of various prominent associations like Kangla Mai, KIL, CLK and Manipur Pandit Loishang attended the event.
Papa Poctaka, Mungisana Ganglon, Adimaroina, Hosiki, Tongan, Lena Akamalakum, just a quick manama sing language, Alma, Puyat, Tambiramba, Imsaron, Simaton, Tana Ganglon, the singer Tonga, Marie Mamja, School, Angang Celebasta, Hapiaba, Adumai, Tojan Yaduga, we like them be Sarsinazo, Puyas, the King, which has to be a Tessiskumaka, which he upon was the Angasishan Biriba, Onaja Gamun, Awakumba, Pibitron, the Pantuxan, Function Matonata, Puyazda, Iramayam, Tabu on top by Tara, School Celebasta, Adimanama Singa, Kudaman Manipur, Purimanama Kudimaxia, Mapanga Topa. Research was in the heck thing with him, diamond green diamond like that. When I see Manamsing Yolakanda, he ducks on a quiz, Abiaba, Sierra and a quick dopa, Kangam, the Quim Tanare, and Harry Bossing as we are Tambirang than ever. I think the Kudamina, Aquinosa Ramasna, Pitsivika, Tolkan, every mine, Manipugiso, Maitegi, Puyazida, Irame, Nasika, Obayama, Tobe, who sing me, Tamigi, Maramdani Kangde, invited me home when he came to Mamja, Yaragadi, school Shalebasta, Kara, Aduga, I even at the Orelo and Halamazing Tamam Singazia, Itonobik and Nozimazo, Sindio.
A public hearing was held on the government's proposal to set up new Manipur police headquarters at 9 Chingmairong Nongpok in Imphal East today. Landowners of the area have strongly condemned the decision and urged the government to withdraw the decision at the earliest. State Social Impact Assessment Unit and Directorate of Environment jointly organized the public hearing at ADC Quarter Complex Hall in Sangakpham. 16 families living on 10-acre land area, the proposed site for the headquarters, strongly objected to the decision. A protester named Thomas criticized the government for initiating policies affecting the hills people residing in the valley, despite its claim that hills and valley people are one. He stated that a non-profit society called St. Anthony Educational Society and a school run by the society named St. Anthony School, with all its around 2,000 students, will be affected with the clearance of the 10 acres of land.
Inside the herd, their policy is different, and verbally when they speak in the public is different, because we have seen that they are talking about the Manipur integrity, Manipur unity, but inside their policy they're trying to chase out the tribal people here. I understand, and they want to build up the bridge between the hill and valley, but they don't want the hill people to cross in the valley. What is this?
District Administration Ukhrul held a centenary celebration of Ukhrul Subdivision at Ukhrul Subdivision Office Mini Secretariat today. Revenue Minister Karam Sham hoisted the national flag to mark the celebration. He also inaugurated a record room and initiated computerization of records at the Mini Secretariat. Retired bureaucrats who once served in Ukhrul district were felicitated, and a photo exhibition was held highlighting the works undertaken by the subdivision on the occasion. Revenue Commissioner Gyan Prakash IAS, member of National Commission for Women Soso Saiza, officials of various departments and dignitaries attended the event. Residents of Oripok Torangbam Lekai today carried out a protest demonstration against planting of a remote-controlled IED in the locality yesterday. Protesters held various placards condemning the incident during the sit-in held in the locality. Speaking to media, General Secretary of Oripok Torangbam Lekai Welfare Organization condemned the incident and appeals to those concerned not to carry out such incidents again. The General Secretary stated that they will submit a memorandum to Imphal West SP, Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren and the Home Department to provide security by opening a police post in the locality.
Bomb Manipur Police Department Pau Piramatunda, Manipur Police Department bomb squad like we do not take the Kaidana high bomb city, Aswangam Yadan of Bigre, bomb Tamami Tamam, the Highway from Small Toga Ganda, Asumba, Yana Tamtiba, Maman Yama Mubaki, Punsibu, Mangan Bayaba, Asum Sakti level bomase, Kaido Wagi, Uribok Tom, the Kaigi, me, Asukung Tavazaga, Tambiramino, Hibesineva. I don't know when I do Langata, Hijaning with it. Kitang Hyderabad, Zero Mangas Mako, Uribok Tom, the Kaigumba, Uribok was in the lady, but the Kai Sidana, which is the Jeriba, citizen sings a concern with the heavy water. Akwai nongtisina police laktana akwai noji hajing with wakai mifam seglo ba akwai SP Imphal West ju akwai memorandum submit tawgani akwai hariba lekai sida akwai police ke picket lekai na jaga puthok police ki budama kathok chagani aduga police department dagi lekai se surveillance and vigil tobina ba Manipur police department gi ju amade lenga ki home department ju akwai mayam si ki wakai mifam seglo ba memorandum pisin jagani.
A group named Himmunna Khoi distributed blankets to cancer patients at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences (JNIMS) today. Speaking on the sidelines, president of the group Khoirom Loyalakpa said that the group was solely formed to help destitute people in the state.
Hingminasi khoi koba group isan ise mayam yawba sinau mayam yawba mioi chani muki group amana ngasi si rim samati jenims ta cancer haiba laina duna mayong narga leiriba anaba singda ningtham tha changap ko sida khoi gip amamam taw si haidana blanket amamam cancer na naraba marai bak thira bi singda hingminasi khoi haiba group sina kip si tawjina ba sem sajabani taseng namakti hingminasi khoi haiba group si humanity service tawjabani.
Harikha Gokmakong Development Committee, Brahmapur, organized a mega medical camp on its 4th Foundation Day today. The camp, held at Brahmapur Guru Aribam Lekai Mandop, provided facility to check up various ailments related to ortho, pediatric, urology and dental. Free medicines were also distributed to those in need. Committee members also donated food grains to Raja Dhumra Singh Women All Age Home, Nongmaibung. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the upcoming 14 authorized World Skills India training centers across 9 cities, including Shillong. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Union Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Minister Mahendra Nath Pandey on Tuesday unveiled plans to set up 14 authorized World Skills India training centers across 9 cities for media and entertainment sector. The cities are Chandigarh, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Indore, Mumbai, Pune, Shillong and Trivandrum. The new institutes will be set up for advanced skill training of candidates in media and entertainment sector and to further develop skilling ecosystem for training candidates for the international market. Election Commission has banned exit polls on polling day for Haryana and Maharashtra Assembly elections. The ban will be effective from 7 in the morning to 6:30 in the evening on 21st of this month, when the 2 states will go to poll. It will also be applicable for by-polls to 51 assembly seats in 17 states. In its order, the Commission said that there will be restrictions on conduct of any exit poll and publication and dissemination of result of such exit polls during the period. The displaying of any election matter, including results of any opinion poll or any other poll survey in any electronic media, will also be prohibited during the period of 48 hours ending with the hours fixed for conclusion of polls. Haryana and Maharashtra will go to polls on 21st of this month to elect new assemblies, and the counting will be taken up on the 24th of October. Now the sports news. In football, the Group E match between India and Bangladesh in FIFA World Cup qualifier match at Kolkata's Salt Lake Stadium has ended in a draw. Both the teams scored 1 goal each. Adil Khan scored a goal for India and Saad Uddin for Bangladesh. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Puwa may thaki bagi apunba ningsing loop Pumanil Kanglay Park observed Puwari Gyamamba Numit at Lamyanba Shanglen. And the center plans to set up 14 authorized world skills India training centers across 9 cities for media and entertainment sector.